All right, so Heidi's got one. Is one data model in Tabular for everything across business, HR, finance, like giant model? Is that okay or not okay, or it depends? Like, do we split them up? Do we have just one giant model to rule everything?
I think that the answer is no, a single model is not good. And the reason is not technical. The reason is human reason. The same entity, the same measure sometime could have different names and different meanings in different departments of the same company. Even though you start from the same data model, from the same database, you might have different point of views. And so what is designed in a way, or just the presence of certain measures, certain names, certain attributes in the product could be very useful and very important for people in logistics, but people in marketing don't care, or the opposite. This can be applied at any level on any entity. Is not a technical problem. Is not a technical. It's if you want, it's a business problem, or it's an organizational problem. So it's easier to create different models, starting from the same data, of course, that show the data that you want to show to that kind of audience in an easy way. This didn't change because we have Tabular Editor or Power BI or analysis services multidimensional. I can go back in time 30 years. We had exactly the same problems that have been already solved with the dimensional modeling, with the idea of creating separate data marts, separate star schemas for different departments in the company, starting from the same data warehouse. This didn't change. We changed the technologies, but the processes are the same. But of course, if you want to fight this and say, oh, this product solves everything, we no longer need the data warehouse, you're welcome. You will be our customer in a couple of years, don't worry. It's your choice, no problem.
Nice. Awesome.
He said
Awesome.
you're welcome.